Good morning. So the time is 11:07. We checking in right here at Chick-fil-A. I got my first order already of the day. We got $6.50. Chick-fil-A coming through. Somebody got them some chicken action first thing in the morning. Let's get it. We got $6.50 for 5.4 miles, but if you take a look at that map right there, it's not really 5.4 miles. Right there where the store is located, that's the zone for me. So that's where I was headed to. So that's really like less than a mile for the drop off. So we got $6.50, 7 items, less than a mile. Let's go. Somebody got some chicken action for the day. Who is this? Jesse J? Jesse, what you got? Dang, Jesse ain't playing, boy. He got him some nuggets, a deluxe sandwich, lemonade. Oh man, okay, a kid's meal, yeah. Jesse going big for the morning times. We're gonna get this first order done and we're gonna check back first hour, getting it done. 11 o'clock, let's get it done. We dashing all day today. First order of the day, $6.50 what was shown, $8.50 what we got. Let's go. Perfect order. Now we getting the next order. We got a stack. What's this? Crumble cookies and Chipotle. We got $10.25 for 7.7 miles. You know, I would take this, but it's taking me out of my zone and it's going past the hospital by the airport. I don't like delivering by the airport, so no, I'm not gonna take that. I'm gonna leave that one alone. Order number 2, you already know I know what to do. We got Panda Express right here. It was a stack. It was it was 11 bucks for Panda Express and Chipotle, but I got rid of the Chipotle order. It was only $5, so it was definitely not gonna be nothing hidden on that one. So I canceled that one, and I'm taking the Panda Express order. $6 is what it's showing, but since it was a stack, yeah, $6 is what it was showing, but since it was a stack, that's the hidden tip indicator. Order number 3, let's go. Quit playing with me. Okay, we got $8.28 for 7.4 miles, but take a good look at the map. I'm out of my zone. I gotta get back. So you always want to get you an order that bring you back to the zone, because it might even look like it's not desirable, but it's actually the best way to get back to your zone is to get paid to go back. So we got $8.28, double order at Pancheros. So one is dropping off real close, and then the other one is a couple miles away. So it's probably like, you know, 2 miles, no biggie. Both of them got tips on them, so we're gonna get it done. This is order 3 and 4. Matter of fact, this is a double order. Let's go. Trying to make sure I get at least 20 for this first hour. So let's get it picked up. Clarice, I believe. Thank you. You too. Alrighty, first hour down, and we are at 24:15 on DoorDash alone. That is like very, very surprising. Usually I have to multi-app to get over 20 an hour, but today I was able to do it during the morning time from 11 to 12. First hour down, 24:15 is what we got. Yes sir, order number 5, we staying alive. We keeping the wheels rolling, y'all. I ain't even making back to the zone yet, and I got my next order already. We checking in at Arby's. We got $6.50 for 2.9 miles, and it's a couple items on there too, so you know it's gonna be a hidden tip. Let's get it done. Thank you. One word, bacon. All right. DoorDash is keeping the wheels rolling today. We got $5.50 for 1.7 miles right here at Panera Bread. You know, I like them to be $6.50 or more, but I will accept a $5.50 or even a $4.50 order if it's only going a mile or so, because that keeps the wheels rolling. And it's even better if you can accept the one at a place that you know they have them ready. I know when I get to Panera Bread that this order is gonna be ready, because it don't matter how big or small the order is, Panera always have them ready. So I love it. Let's go. It's very, very, very important that you know your market. I know that no matter what kind of order I pick up from Panera Bread, that they gonna have it ready 99.9% of the time. That way I can make an educated decision on if it's worth my time to pick up this food. And guess what? It is. Let's get it done. Awesome. Yes sir, thank you.
You bet. It's this way.
Yep.
Terrific. Have a good afternoon.
You too, thank you. Yes sir, order number 6, keep the wheels rolling. I love it. Let's go. Now, alrighty, got my next order. Checking in for order number 7. We got Arby's, $5.25, 2 miles. Let's go. This is exactly what I was just talking about. You know, I'm not opposed to taking a $5 order, because that's a $2 or $3 tip, as long as it's going a mile or 2, and as long as it's at a restaurant where I know, that's a fine order to me. So if it keeps the wheels rolling, let's go into this lunch hour, 1 o'clock. Let's get it. We're gonna get it done. Yes, sir, man. I don't know what's going on with the DoorDash algorithm, but I think they fixed it, man. We got order number 8, so please don't hate. We got $6.50 for 2 miles right here at Sandbar Grill. Man, they got 5 items on this order, man. I think it might be some hidden tips, man. I'm thinking it might be about $7 or $8, so we're gonna check in and get it done. DoorDash leading the way today. We got 8 orders done in 2 hours. I can't believe it. Let's go. Let's go. $6.50 what was shown, $9.50 what we got. Let's go. I knew that order was gonna be more. I love hidden tips. Let's get it. Second hour down. I don't even know how much we made for that second hour, but we making good money. We finna keep the wheels rolling. Check this out. I'm gonna wait for my next order. What is this? Hold up. What is this? $2.50? Man, stop playing with me, bro. We don't take those. No. $2.50 for 3 miles? No. It's not happening.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
I do not want to go there. All right, so we at $50. That means we got $25 an hour for the first 2 hours. Let's go. We running it up. Alrighty, order number 9, and we ain't wasting no time. Just got my next order, $7.25 for 4.9 miles. We checking in at Jersey Mike's. Now we got 5 items on this order again. A lot of items, so $7.25, 4.9 miles, 5 items. It's gonna be more than that. They definitely hide some tips, but that's okay because I know how to spot them. I'm okay with that because look, when you got the skills to spot them, it don't make no difference. I'm gonna get it either way. Let's get it. $7.25 for 5 miles right here at Jersey Mike's. So we did pretty good for this DoorDash shift. They ended up doing 9 deliveries and they ended up even getting some little bonus pay on there too, extra earnings, whatever that is. But got a total of $60.40 with a total hours of 2 hours of work. Not bad. Let's do it again tomorrow.